gentlemen, I am the Cornish Patriot, and last night in the bloody chat on the Shield Destroyers was a bloody train wreck. I saw it, and what it reminded me was of the disadvantages that people down in the comments in the Shield Destroyers, they got a bloody disadvantage because they're all bloody disabled. And it felt to me like there was a bloody argument going on where you got the able-bodied people on one side in a different school and there's a bloody great big fence up, and on the other side you got the bloody disabled bloody kids on the other side, and that's the One Eye and the Shield Destroyer and the rest of his bloody family in the comments. It was a bloody disabled versus bloody able-bodied and able-minded bloody men. And I believe, for one, that the disabled people on the Shield Destroyers chat and the Shield Destroyer and One Eye were absolutely bloody destroyed by the people who were supporting the Cornish Patriot. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Good night.